Hi there, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to make bhajia and we're going to use gram flour. So this is the gram flour that I use. You can get it at any supermarket. So yeah, that's the gram flour that I used. So in my bowl I added like 6 tablespoons of the gram flour. I'm not going to make a lot of it because it's usually taken as a snack. So you can have this with tea or you can have this with any sauces that you have. I like it with coconut chutney that I will make and you'll put it in my shots, and you can have it with also ukwaju. So our ingredients are gram flour, and then of course curry powder. I have black pepper, I have food color, any color of your choice. I have baking powder, then I have salt. Then over here we're going to grate some onions. So I used red onions. Sometimes I mix red onion and spring onion. It has a nice flavor to it. I have chopped up coriander, I have chopped up pili pili or chili, so that's green chili, and I have crushed garlic. So you can add as much chili as you want. I am not into so much spice, so I used a bit of it. So yeah, let's mix. So onto this I added half a teaspoon of baking powder. I added half a teaspoon of salt, but of course you're going to check the salt quantity as you go. And of course the quantity that you have for the gram flour, you'll know how to put your salt. If you like a lot of salt, you'll add more, but I added half a teaspoon. And then I added half a teaspoon of curry powder, half a teaspoon of black pepper. Okay, so we are going to mix this, and I've added my food color in my water. So we're going to put it in here and mix it. What we are going for is a drop scone consistency. So you want to be able to pick it up with your spoon and into your pan or your pot for frying. So you're going to deep fry this. So you want to mix it up really well. So we've mixed it enough. So this is the consistency you want. You want to pick it up with a spoon and drop it. Some people use their hands, whichever you prefer. You can also use an icing bag if you have. So now we're going to put oil in our pan until it heats up. When it's very hot, then we're gonna drop this one by one. Then also we should not put heat that is not hot enough, because it will soak in the oil and your bhajias will be very oily, and we do not want that. So you want to drop a bit to test your oil. So I think this means that our oil is hot enough. So I'm going to start dropping them. So depending on the size you want, you're going to portion. You'll use a spoon, you can use your hand. So I'm using a spoon. And as you can see, the moment they drop into the oil, they'll start floating because of the baking powder. And then make sure you space them. Don't put a lot of them in the sufuria. Just put enough. You can see they're floating. The oil should be hot enough. So it should not be, don't put your oil or reduce it to medium. Just put it enough. So you'll put a sample. You'll drop a sample to see how hot your oil is. They should not burn. They should also not soak in the oil, because the moment they start soaking in the oil, you've now ruined your bhajias. You can see. So you flick them. I'm using a spoon. So again, this is a snack that you can eat with your kids, something that you can make for the girls. In the afternoon, you have them with tea. Something that you can pack for breakfast. If you have kids, you can put it for them for break time. Okay. So you're going to put them in for like around 5 minutes. They'll be done. They'll turn golden brown. And you can now remove them. Okay. So these ones are out. These ones are in. So there we go. We've removed them from the oil. You can have this with your tea, afternoon tea. So there we go. So I'm going to enjoy my bhajias with a side of chutney. Try out the recipe, tell me what you think. So these are the original bhajias. And I can say that Asians, mostly Indians, are the ones who do this recipe once in a while, but also we've seen it moving to the coastal side of Kenya, so the Swahilis will also do this recipe. You can add anything you want and then you comment down below. Thank you for watching the video. It will help if you give it a thumbs up or you share the video. Thanks for watching.